So now earlier I changed the direction that the servos go when I move the remote. I got channel 1 working again. And so first we're going to change the direction that channel 1 goes. You notice when I go up it goes to the left. When I go down it goes to the right. So up to the left, I'm going to change that. So I got to turn the power off. I could do this for channel 1 instead. You got to do one at a time. So I'm holding down button number 4. Pressing the button, and you can hear it beeping. So now when I press up, it's going to go to the right instead of the left when you consider it facing us right there. And this is the troublematic servo, I'm pretty sure. Now, channel 1 over here does the same thing. It goes in the opposite direction of the remote. I would have to change that separately. So now in the last short, we changed the direction that the channel 2 servo right there goes, and it's a problematic servo. I'm pretty sure that's not the remote. I talked about it in earlier videos. But in any case, we're going to do the same process for the channel 1 servo. So right now, the channel 1 servo moves in the opposite direction of the remote. And the way to change the direction, turn the power off. You can do this for either channel 1 or channel 2. You got to do one at a time though. So this is button number 4. Hold it down while you turn the power back on, and then you hear the beeping. So again, we want to move channel 1, so you move the joystick to move it. And now instead of moving in the opposite direction, when you consider it's facing us, now it's moving in the same direction as the remote control. So again, you do the same process to change either 1 or 2, but you got to do one at a time. You just got to keep repeating the process if you want to do both of them.